Hey everyone, how you guys doing? I'm Erica, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I got 1,199 clicks on 2 of my posts in 1 week, guys. This is a very simple method, an easy hack that you can use, and here are 2 of the posts that I'm talking about in this video. This one is about turmeric tea, and the second one is about ginger and lemon. The first one has 757 clicks, and the second one has 442. So let's go ahead and get started. The site we're going to be using is called Viral Content Bee. Now, before you get discouraged and click away from this video, this is very effective. This site is really powerful. I actually signed up for this site years ago, but I never used it until I saw a video on YouTube about a guy saying that he was getting traffic from Pinterest by using this site. So I decided to go ahead and check it out, and yes, it does work, guys. So here is the site. The first thing you want to do once you sign up for a free account, it's completely free, you want to go ahead and earn some points. So you can simply earn points by sharing other people's content to your Pinterest profile. And I'm going to show you a quick example of how you can earn points. Okay, so I do have a beauty board, so I'm going to save this in there. And once you save it, you want to click on See It Now. And you want to grab the pin's URL, copy it. You go back to Viral Content Bee, and you want to paste that in there so that you can get points. I was actually able to gather around 500 points in less than an hour, guys, doing this. So and 500 points is going to take you a very long way with your pins. You can also buy points if you don't want to share other people's content, but for the purpose of this video, I'm just showing you how you can do it all. Okay, so once you've gathered your points, you can go ahead and add your projects. But before you do that, you want to go to the post that you want to share. So let me just open up a post, and you want to have a good looking Pinterest image on your blog post that you can add to Viral Content Bee. So you already open up the post that you want to share, and you already know that you have an image. So let's go back to Viral Content Bee. To add a project, you just go up here and click on Add Project, and this is where you would add the URL for the post that you want to share. Okay, you add in your URL, and then you add in the title of the post. Now I'm going to be showing you my projects that I did, and I just want to add something in here to make it more appealing. And you want to grab a most important health benefits, and you don't want that to be too long, because your pin, and once you have rich pins installed, as soon as these people add it to Pinterest, your metadata is going to get pulled in. So I just want to add a few hashtags: health, nutrition. Okay, and that's it. I'm going to go ahead and add it to health and beauty, and this is where you can choose how much you want to spend, how much your budget is. And now I have 78 points, so I'm going to add 40 points in there. And you can choose if you want people to share it to Tumblr, LinkedIn, Mix, and other platforms. But for me, I only choose Pinterest. So you select Pinterest, and then you go back to your post. That's why you need it open. And you want to open this image in a new tab so that you can grab the URL. Go ahead and copy that. Go back to Viral Content Bee, and you want to paste in your URL. But once you want to remove this everything after PNG, you want to remove it. Okay, and click on the guidelines. You want to click on submit. Now you can add as much points as you want, but I recommend that you add around 70 because I'm going to be showing you why in a second. So let's go ahead and submit that. And it's going to take them about an hour to approve your project. So you can check back in an hour to see if your project was approved or not. Now this URL is already existing, so they're not gonna allow me to post this project for the second time. So I'm gonna go back to my projects. Okay, so as you can see here, I have the post about garlic and honey, ginger and lemon and turmeric tea. Now these are 4 projects that I have running on here. Okay, now why did I tell you to spend only around 40? Because if you want to get your projects on the front page of Viral Content Bee, to have it shared, to have it in front of more people, you want to, after your project is approved, you want to move your projects to the front page. And once you click on this, you're going to be prompted to spend an additional 30 points to be able to select the project that you want to add to the front page. You select the project and you add credits. So you should keep that in mind if you want your projects to appear on the front page and get shared more on Pinterest. So as you can see here in my message area, this is where they tell you who saved your pins, and they also send you emails letting you sending you the pin URL so that you can go ahead and check it out. Now as you can see, this one was sent a few hours ago, and they said that this is a live update, and once you click on the pin, it's going to take you to Pinterest right away, and it tells you exactly who pinned your pin and which boards your pins got pinned to. So this is the one on the turmeric tea, and it's going to tell me here who pinned it and which board it was pinned to. Now as you can see, this one is called Shout Me Something, and it is a rich pin. Okay, and he saved it to a board called Viral Content Bee. Now in some of these cases, this is not good for your pin SEO on Pinterest, because you want your pins to get pinned to relevant boards, but it doesn't really matter because you're bound to have your pins pinned to regular boards anyway on Pinterest. So yeah, this is how I got my pins. Now once you've added your projects and you've added points to have it on the front page, you just go to the dashboard, and it's gonna show you how you can locate your pins. So you just want to scroll through until you, okay, there. Once you see a post that has a green text on it, that is your pin. So as you can see, I have 3 pins on the front page. Now I can boost these pins up by adding more credits. So you see your pins are on the front page. You can boost them by adding more credits, and people are gonna save them to their boards on Pinterest. So this is how I was able to get all of those clicks and reshares on Pinterest using Viral Content Bee. So I hope this video helped you guys, and stay awesome.